There's also Toolbox number 5 has the self-gratitudes. And this is like a square grid box. Let me just double check what we've written in this to see if I can flash you with it. Yeah. It's not like you're going to be able to actually read the handwriting in most places anyway, but so there's these. We ran out of space. And then another couple of pages, which I won't show you, but there are various prompting questions. So you can draw yourself these grids or just write them in bullet points, and basically says, this chart is a self-esteem building exercise and is best approached as a work in progress. Try to think of 12 entries for each category. Resist the critic's all or none dynamic, and list something if it is generally true of you a good deal of the time. Work on it when you are not in a flashback. Ask someone who you trust enough to help you with this exercise. And then the prompting questions things are accomplishments, traits, good deeds, peak experiences, life enjoyments, intentions, good habits, jobs, subjects studied, obstacles overcome, grace received, nurturing memories, friends past and current, inspiring people, inspiring authors, school friends, whether or not you're still in contact, circles of friends past and current, childhood friends, you do not need to still be in touch with them, teachers.
That's going to be difficult to do any sort of positivity with.
Don't have to be educational setting ones. And actually, there are a few people I went to the conferences of that were cool. Our piano teacher seemed cool. And I consider people in this system and people around us to be teachers of things as well.
Artistic license.
Kindness of strangers, pets and animals, work friends, past or current, groups, past or current, nurturing memories.